Hi everyone, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is September 29th, 2013. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains and losses. Let's take a look at current market trend and our strategy. US stock market is in the uptrend despite of the recent pullback. Leading stocks are strong. My plan is continue hold on to the leading stocks. Let's take a look at market indices and their charts. First is the German DAX index is in the uptrend. Right now, after made a new high, it's consolidating. Shanghai Stock Exchange Index. China stock market is back to the uptrend. However, the Shanghai Stock Index has been pulling back for the last couple of weeks. Nasdaq Composite Index is in the uptrend. Mid cap also uptrend. Small cap, US small cap uptrend. SP 500 index large cap is in uptrend above 50-day moving average. Gold is now pulling back below 50-day moving average. That's not good. Gold has to go above 50-day moving average to go back to the uptrend. Right now it's consolidating. Silver is sitting right at the 50-day moving average. GDX has broke below 50-day moving average. This is gold mining stock. It's also broke below the trend line. This is not very good. We have to see whether it can go above or not. US dollar is pulling back. Crude oil has broke 50-day moving average, and right now next support is $100 per barrel. It has to stay above that, otherwise it may go back to the downtrend. IYR is a US real estate ETF. It's in a downtrend. MBB is a real estate mortgage bond fund. It's going up. That means interest rate has pulled back a little. SMH semiconductor index made a new high and consolidating. XLE is a energy index. It's an uptrend. XLF is a financial index ETF. This is a very important index. It's usually leading the market on the downside or the upside. XLF right now is sitting below 50-day moving average. This is not good. We have to be very defensive for this market. See if XLF can go above. If not, it will be bad for the market. I'd like to share with you three lists. First list is the best leading stocks. Those are the strongest stocks in terms of fundamental and their revolutionary technology. And also they have the best relative strength, not evolution, revolutionary. Anyhow, the second list is the strong stocks that are in the uptrend. They're not as strong as the first, but they're also very good stocks. Third list are the stocks that near the buy point, which is 5% within the breakout pivotal point. Let's take a look. The best stocks, Salesforce is one of it. Breakout with a huge volume. This is a good uptrend stock. This is called a breakaway gap. Usually stock just keep on going. It never come back and fill the gap. Facebook did the same thing. Breakaway gap, keep on going. Right now it's very strong. LinkedIn, several breakaway gap right here and right here, and uptrend. Tesla, uptrend. Those are very good stocks, strongest one. And other strong stocks, ACT, AFOP, AMBA just recently break out from here, $18.45. That's a breakout pivotal. I'm holding very strong stock, fundamentally strong, and right now it just came from the base, and it broke out from the cup with handle base right here. Baidu break out from a flat base right here. Celgene on Friday it break out $152. That's a breakout point, pretty high volume. CERN, SERN breakout here. C-Trip uptrend, no buy point. This is a breakaway gap, breakaway gap. DDD breakout right here. EVR also breakout right here. FLT uptrend. ILMN uptrend, and fund support on 50-day moving average. Michael Kors uptrend. LAD uptrend. Lumber liquidator had a gap down on Friday. However, it finds support at the 50-day moving average close high. That is a buy signal with a huge volume. That's a support. That means when they gap down, big money actually started buying this stock. However, the news is pretty bad for lumber liquidator, and I mean this is a pretty risky play right now. So we're just watching the stock. We don't have money in there. Las Vegas Sand, this is uptrend. Netflix uptrend. NQ also uptrend. This is a Chinese company. NSM uptrend. NUS uptrend. This is a very strong uptrend. All these stocks are very extended. There's no buy point here. OAS found support on 50-day moving average. That's a buy signal and keep on going up. OCN uptrend. Proto Lab uptrend. Qihu also uptrend. Regeneral Pharmaceutical uptrend, breakout right here. Starbucks uptrend. SFM broke out right here. This is a Sprouts Farmers Market, a breakout right here. Sofang uptrend. SPLK break a week up right here, uptrend. SSNC uptrend. SYNA also uptrend. THO is uptrend right here. Ultra uptrend. This is a breakaway gap, very high volume. Yandex uptrend. YY is uptrend. The third list are the stocks that near the buy point right now. ARM Holdings. ARM Holdings, this is a breakout point and it's in the uptrend. Celgene broke out on Friday, $152.05. That's a breakout pivotal point. LinkedIn is pulling back, and it's pulling back close to the previous breakout point right here. Starbucks uptrend. SFM, Sprouts Farmers Market, is also in the uptrend. It pulled back on Friday and found support and going up. This is an IPO stock. Ultra Salon, this is a cosmetics. They sell cosmetic goods, and this is very strong fundamental. It break out right here, break out a flat base. It's a very long-term flat base. You can see better from the weekly chart. This is a gap up with a huge volume, and this stock is within the buy point. It may break out again and generate the second buy signal, which is 121 and 60 cents. If we break out above here, that would be a breakout from another 3-week tie pattern, which is a small flat base, and that's another buy signal here. What to do during market uptrend, and what I'm doing right now is to sit on the winners. The leading stocks show relative strength, and when the market pull back, they barely move at all. They don't came down too much, so there's no reason to sell the winning stocks. However, if you buy a stock that doesn't do well, you should get rid of them quickly. So get rid of the losers quickly, but stay defensive and flexible. If the market turn to the downtrend, you gotta get out. So for now, market is still in the uptrend. So there's no reason to sell the winners. Just hold on to the right. That's all for this week. See you next week.